Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to use the multiplication table to solve multiplication problems. It's super simple and a fun way to learn. With just a few easy steps, you'll be solving problems like 4 times 5 in no time. So let's explore how this colorful chart makes math easier. It's like a game. So first, let's understand the chart. We have the column. It goes up and down like this. And the next one, we have the row. And the row go across like this. Knowing this will help us solve multiplication problems easily. Just follow the row and columns and you'll find the magic number. So how to use the multiplication table or multiplication chart? So we have an example number 1. So let's multiply 2 times 8. So the first step is to find 2 at the top. Okay, we have 2 at the top. And then the next one, find 8 on the left side of the chart. Okay, we have 8. And then we follow the column from 2, okay, and row from 8. Where they meet is the answer, which is 16. So 2 times 8 equals 16. Next example, 3 times 5. Find 3 at the top of the chart. Okay, we have 3. And then find 5 on the left side. Okay, we have 5 on the left side. Follow the column from 3 and the row from 5. So where they meet is the answer, which is 15. So 3 times 5 equals 15. Okay, next example, 5 times 7. We find 5 at the top of the chart. Next, we find 7 on the left side. Then follow the column from 5 and follow the row from 7. Where they meet is the answer, which is 35. So 5 times 7 equals 35. Okay, next example is 6 times 3. Now find the 6 at the top. Next, find 3 on the left. Follow the column from 6 and follow the row from 3. Where they meet is the answer, which is 18. And 6 times 3 equals 18. Example, 7 times 8. Here's the step. Find 7 at the top and find 8 on the left side. Next, follow the column from 7 and follow the row from 8. Then the answer is 56. So 7 times 8 equals 56. Next example is 8 times 6. First, we find 8 at the top of the chart. Next, find 6 on the left side of the chart. Then, follow the column from 8 and follow the row from 6. And the answer is 48. So 8 times 6 equals 48. Another example is 9 times 9. We find 9 at the top of the chart. Find 9 on the left side of the chart. The next, follow the column from 9 and follow the row from 9. Where they meet, which is 81, is the answer. Therefore, the correct answer is 9 times 9 is 81. 10 times 5. Now, we find 10 on the top of the chart and find 5 on the left side of the chart. Next, follow the column from 10 and follow the row from 5, where the meet is the answer, which is 50. Therefore, 10 times 5 equals 50. So that is how to use multiplication chart. Now you know how to use this table or chart to solve the problems. In our next video, we'll study the full multiplication tables from 1 to 10. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So thank you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.